Hello students, in previous lecture we know some examples of double integration by changing the variable. So in this lecture important example of the double integration by changing the variable into polar coordinate. That is our example. Evaluate integration from 0 to a and integration from 0 to root over of a square minus y square root over of x square plus y square dx dy by changing into polar coordinate. That we change this variable dx dy into polar coordinate. That means dr and d theta. So see how we change the coordinate in polar form. First, here given that I equal to integration from 0 to a integration from 0 to root over of a square minus y square root over of x square plus y square dx dy. So that is our limit of x and this one is limit of y. So that equal to double integration over r y square root over of x square plus y square dx dy, where r is the region bounded by x equal to 0, x equal to root over of a square minus y square and y equal to 0, y equal to a. First we draw the diagram in x and y. So x equal to 0 is our y axis, y equal to 0 is our x axis and y equal to a is a line parallel to x axis. Then we see that equation, that is x equal to root over of a square minus y square, that implies x square equal to a square minus y square, that implies x square plus y square equal to a square, which represents a circle whose radius is a and center is 0 0. Circle whose center is 0 0 and radius is a. Then we see that is x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equal to a square. So center is 0 0 and radius is a. Then draw the diagram. So that is y axis and this one is our x axis. Circle of center 0 0 and radius is a. So that is our a 0. So then draw the diagram. That is 0 a. So radius is a and then y equal to 0 line and x equal to 0 line is that and y equal to a is that line, that is y equal to a. So our region is that is our r, that is y equal to 0, x equal to 0, y equal to a, and the circle is our x square plus y square equal to a square. Then here the question is, by changing the variable into polar coordinates we can solve. So first we put x equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta. Then our x square plus y square equal to r square, where r is from 0 to a and theta is from 0 to pi by 2. As the radius is a, So r is from 0 to a and theta is from 0 to pi by 2. This is one part of the circle which is from 0 to pi by 2. So then we solve the problem, that is I equal to integration from 0 to a integration from 0 to a square minus y square root over of x square plus y square dy dx. So next we solve this problem by changing the variables. So here will be r dash y square root over of x square plus y square dy dx. Then we change the variable, that is x equal to r cos theta, y equal to r sin theta. Here it is r square, so here it is r, and y square is r sin theta. So r square sin square theta, and our dy dx is, here our dy dx in polar coordinate is r dr d theta. We see in this in the first lecture of change of the variable. Dy dx is changed into r dr d theta. So our dy dx is r dr d theta, and our r is from 0 to a and theta is from 0 to pi. So r is from 0 to a and theta is from 0 to pi by 2. So then that is theta is equal to 0 to pi by 2, and that is r square into r square, r4, r equal to 0 to a r to the power 4 dr, and our sin square theta d theta goes outside. So then that is equal to theta is from 0 to pi by 2, that is r5 divided by 5, r is from 0 to a into sin square theta d theta, that is equal to 1 by 5 integration from theta is equal to 0 to pi by 2, that is our a to the power 5 minus 0. So a to the power 5 into sin square theta d theta. So then a to the power 5 divided by 5, theta is from 0 to pi by 2 and sin square theta d theta. Then we solve this integration using reduction formula. By reduction formula we know that is a5 divided 5 sin n theta d theta, theta is from 0 to pi by 2. So that is our 2 minus 1 divided by 2 into pi by 2, that is equal to a to the power 5 divided by 5 into 1 by 2 into pi by 2. So that is equal to pi a to the power 5 into divided by 20. So this is our value of the integration. By this way, by putting x equal to r cos theta, y equal to r sin theta, we solve these integrations by changing the polar coordinates. Here we change the dy dx variable into dr d theta. By this way we change the variables into polar coordinates and solve the problem. So any doubt in the changing into polar coordinate, any doubt and any question, you can solve in the books and can ask me any problem in the comments. So I can solve this and next we will discuss. Thank you students.